Okay. All right. So it's summer, so I know that we haven't done a lot of math. So, but I know you guys are really good at mental math. We're going to do something called a number talk. And we're going to be doing multiplication. So let me explain it to you before you make any guesses how this is going to work. Have you ever done a number talk before? Have you, William? No? Okay. So the way this is going to work is first, you're not going to say anything. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to look at the problem, you're going to look at the equation, and you're going to make an estimate. You're not going to tell anyone. Okay? Then after you have an estimate, you can take a moment right now to look at the equation. 84 times 3. Just think of an estimate. You don't have to solve the problem. Okay? Now, let's use some of your mental math skills to think about what that could be. Maybe an average, an estimate, something about. Anyways, okay. Now, I want you to think of mental math strategies. I'm going to go over some related vocabulary to help give you some ideas about strategies you could use. So, for example, this is a multiplication equation. Right?
Yeah, I already have mine for number 1.
Okay, we decompose. There's distributive property, partial products. You're going to think of an efficient strategy. You're going to notice the place value. I like to use place value to find friendly numbers. Have you guys heard of the word friendly numbers before? I've talked to you about this. Okay, 10 is a friendly number. It is so easy to multiply anything times 10 or 2, right? And if you start out with a friendly number, you can always subtract. You know how multiplication is repeated addition, so you can use repeated addition or repeated subtraction to go from a friendly number to the number you're looking for. Do you understand that? Do you want an example? Okay. We're going to use reasoning. You got it already? Okay, now, so what I'm going to ask you to do is when you think you've solved the problem and you can explain the mental math, you're going to give me a thumbs up.
Well, are you supposed to do an estimate or the answer?
First you do an estimate, and then, now everyone said an estimate, right?
Okay. I got my estimate,
I'm
going to do that.
Okay, sounds good. Thank you. I'll wait for you to get your solution. All right. Who would like to share their solution and how they solved the equation? Ellie, what did you do?
252.
Okay. Ellie thinks the answer is...
Are you sure you're not getting that on the wall?
252. All right, William, do you have an answer?
Yeah.
What's your answer?
256.
Okay. All right, Ellie, can you justify how you got this answer? Yeah. What was your strategy?
So I did 8 times 2 is 16. And then I added
and so you used this 8 and a friendly number here?
Yeah.
Okay, 8 times 2 is 16.
And then I added 8 to 16.
Okay, plus 8. So did you, why did you add plus 8?
To make it times 3.
Times 3, okay. Do you understand that, William?
Yeah, that's what I did.
You did that too? Okay. All right, what is 16 plus 8?
24.
24. How did you get 16 plus 8?
Just told you.
Okay, I know, but how do you know 16 plus 8 equals 24?
Oh, 4 half of 8 is 4 makes 10. If you subtract 4, it's 10. And the other 4 is the 24. 6 plus 4.
Okay, perfect. And then you're at 24. Very nice. Okay.
And add the 0 from the 8.
Awesome. Okay, and then what was your next step?
And then I did 3 times 4. Which is 12. So that made it 252.
Can you tell me how you got 252?
You have to add the 0.
So I took the 0 from the tens place and
From
put
right
it,
here?
yeah,
Okay.
and put it behind the 24.
So there's a 0 right there.
So it's,
Okay.
and then I added 12.
So 240 plus 12. You got 252.
52.
Very nice. Okay, William, would you like to tell me your strategy?
I did the exact same.
You did the same thing with the extra 8 here? That's amazing. Do you want to see what I would have done?
Not really.
Okay. Do you guys think that this is the most efficient strategy?
Yeah.
No, it's how my brain works.
Okay. What other strategies could we have used?
By sight.
By sight? What if
Just
Long
numbering.
division,
long division?
but it sucks.
What can we...
That's multiplication.
Still,
You're not a long division fan yet?
I hate it.
Okay. Well, if you can multiply, you can do long division.
I still hate it.
Let's see.
Actually, long division is the only type of division that makes sense to me.
Okay.
For me, it's the exact opposite. Pretty much.
Why does long division make sense to you, Allie?
I don't know. Just the way it works.
It is a good trick.
I think that this
It is
makes
very
the
useful.
most sense.
Mm-hmm.
But this is multiplication.
Okay. Can one of you explain another strategy?
8 times 3, then you cut out the plus 16 plus 8, and you do the same thing.
Okay. That's a good strategy.
Long.
What made this problem easier or harder to solve mentally?
Easier because
Like what about this problem makes it easy? And what about this problem makes it difficult, William?
the thing that makes it hard is that it's an odd number that you're multiplying it by.
3.
And the thing that makes it easy
Mm-hmm.
is how you're able to solve it.
So if this had been a 2,
It would have been way easier.
way easier. What if this had been 6?
Then it would have been harder.
Harder. Okay.
The smaller the number, the easier it is. That applies unless if it's like 10.
Okay, so 1.
Then 10 would be really
2, 5, and 10 are the easiest.
Those are the friendly
Yeah.
numbers.
It makes it's easier because 3 is close to 2.
Mm-hmm.
It's closer to 2 than a lot of numbers,
Mm-hmm.
than most numbers. And it's harder because if you do it this way, there's a lot of steps and try to keep track of in your head.
So the friendly number idea made it easier to solve because you were able to use 2 as a friendly number and then just add up 1 more. Multiplication, multiplying. Okay, very nice. And then let's see here. You guys did great. Thank you so much. Do you have anything else to share?
No.
No? That's it? Okay, thank you.